Good morning friends. Today we have discussed about hybrid parameters. It is also called as H parameters. Okay. So this is the two-port device. This is shown in this diagram. Here one port is input port and second port is called as output port. Okay. So all the drawbacks which occur in the graphical method are overcome in the analysis of hybrid parameters. So all the drawbacks which occur in graphical method are overcome in analysis of hybrid parameters. A transistor may be considered as a two-port device. Transistor may be considered as a two-port device. One is input port and other is output port, which is shown in the diagram. The input voltage V1 and output current I2 may be represented as, that is, input voltage V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2, and I2, that is output current, is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Here I1 is the input current and I2 is the output current, and V1 is the input voltage and V2 is the output voltage. So we have to remember these two equations, that is the input voltage V1 and output current I2. It can be represented as V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. Okay, and I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. In these two equations, the quantities H11, H21, H12, H22 are called as hybrid parameters. Okay, so these two equation is very important. So it should be, you have to learn or remember. Okay, so that is V1, again I have repeated it, that is V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2, and I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Okay, so H11, H12, H21, H22 are called as hybrid parameters, as from these two are unitless. One has unit of resistance and remaining has a unit of reciprocal of resistance. So from these two hybrid parameters are unitless. One has a unit is resistance and other has a reciprocal of resistance. So now we see that H parameters of a transistor in CE mode. So this is the diagram of CE mode transistor. Okay, so this is the emitter which is common to both. Okay, so this is the NPN transistor. Okay, NPN transistor. So here the base current IB, and this emitter is connected to input as well as output voltage, output. Okay, this is the collector current IC, which is generated by IC input, that is base current is generated by IB, and VBE is the input voltage and VCC is the output voltage. So what we from this we can say that is input voltage. Okay, equation input voltage VBE is nothing but H11, that is the input current. Okay, so H11 IB plus H12 output voltage कौन सा है, VC. So this equation should be VB is equal to H11 IB plus H12 VCE. Then that is output current कौन सा है, that is IC. So IC is equal to H21 input current IB and H plus H22 output voltage VCE. Okay, so from this figure, NPN transistor is common emitter mode. By using the above H parameter equation of two-port device, we may write these two equation for a transistor in CE mode as, that is I have repeated it. VBE is equal to H11. VBE is nothing but the input voltage, that is equals to H11 IB plus H12 VCE, and output current IC is equal to H21 IB plus H22 VCE. Now when the output is short circuit, when the output is short circuit means VCE is equal to 0, means output voltage is 0, and equation 2.14 and 2.15 gives two definitions. So first definition is for H1 parameters is equal to what we have to, when VC is equal to 0 we get VBE is equal to H11 IB, therefore H11 is nothing but the VBE upon IB. Okay, so here H11 is equal to what, that is VBE upon IB. So what is VBE? VBE is the input voltage and IB is the input current. So that is means it is the ratio of input voltage to the AC input current. What is the AC input voltage divided by AC input current when the output is short circuited? Thus H1 is called as input impedance. Therefore H11 hybrid parameters, H11 is called as input impedance. Having the unit, what is the unit? That is the ohm. Ohm is the unit. For CE, that is common emitter, it is represented by the symbol HIE. So H11 can be represented in CE mode, that is HIE. Okay, so thus HIE is equal to H11 is equal to VBE upon IB at when that is VC is equal to constant. Now we see the definition of H21 parameter. So what H21? So H21, this is, so we use 2.15 equations. So here VC, that is output is short circuited, so VC is equal to 0. So we get that is IC is equal to H21 IB. Therefore H21 is nothing but the IC upon IB. So H21 that is equals to what, IC upon IB. That is means what, it is the IC is the output current, IB is the input current, that is AC input current. So it is the ratio of AC output current to the AC input current for output is short circuited. So thus H21 is called as forward current gain. So H21 is called as forward current gain, which is dimensionless, and CE for common emitter mode. Okay, so H21 is called as forward current gain, which is dimensionless, and for CE it is represented by the symbol HFE. It is represented as a HFE. So thus HFE is nothing but the H21, that is equals to, that is the output current divided IC divided by input current, that is the AC input current, that is the IB. So at constant VCE, or VCE is equal to constant. Okay, now when the base is open circuited, we have IB is equal to 0. The equation 2.4 and 2.15 gives H12 parameter and H22 forward. Okay, for we have to calculate for H12 parameter and H21 parameter, that is the input current should be 0. So from this equation we can calculate. So what we calculate, that is H12 parameter and H21 parameter. H22 parameter. So from this 2.14 equation we can that is input current is short circuited, so IB is equal to 0. So we get VBE is equal to H12 VCE. So H12 is equal to VBE upon VCE. So VB is the input AC voltage and VC is the output voltage. So H12 can be defined as, that is it is the ratio of AC input voltage to the AC output voltage. Okay, so here H12 parameter is equal to what, that is VBE upon VCE, that is it is the ratio of AC input voltage to the AC output voltage when the base is open circuited. When the base is open circuited, okay, means means IB is equal to 0. So it is unitless. So it is the ratio of voltage and voltage. So voltage is the unit is cancelled out. So it is the unitless quantity. Okay. So it is the unitless. For CE amplitude, it is represented by HRE. It is represented as HRE. So thus HRE is nothing but the H12, that is equals to, that is VBE upon VCE at IB is equal to constant. So now we, from this equation, from 2.15 equation, we have to calculate H22 parameter. Okay, so H22 parameter we have calculated from 2.15 equation. So here that is the input current IB is equal to 0 because base is open circuited, so therefore IB is equal to 0. So we get that is IC is equal to H22 VCE. Therefore H22 is equal to IC upon VCE. That is IC is the nothing but the AC output voltage and VC is the AC out that is the AC output voltage. Okay, so from this we can say that it is the ratio of AC output current to the that is the AC output voltage. Okay, so it is the unit. What is the unit? It is the reciprocal of ohm or mho. Okay, so from this equation we can calculate H22 parameter. So H22 parameter I have repeated once again via what I can explain previously. Okay, so H22 is nothing but the that is equal to IC upon VCE. That is, it is the ratio of AC input current to the AC output voltage when the base is open circuited. Okay, I again repeated is that is H22 is equal to IC. IC means what? IC is the output AC output current and VC is the AC output voltage. So H22 is equal to IC upon VCE. That is, it is the ratio of AC input current to the AC output voltage when the base is open circuited. It is the unit of mho or reciprocal of ohm. Okay, it is the unit called as mho, MHO. And for C amplifier it is denoted as HOE. So thus HOE is nothing but the H22 that is equals to IC upon VC at IB is equal to constant. Thus for C amplifier the two network equation are, so VBE is equal to HIE IB plus HRE VCE and IC is equal to HFE IB and HOE VCE. It may be noted that for CB mode H parameters are denoted by HIB, HRB, HFB and HOB. Okay, this is the for the hybrid parameter. Okay, so thank you.